Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Wednesday. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's take a look at who this is from. Alright, well, we have pre-stamped cross stitch. We have two of them, and let's see. These are from FGOBY store. Aren't they pretty? Isn't that beautiful? I just love that. The snow, the Cardinals. There's even another bird. There's a male and a female cardinal. But at least they tried to make it look like a female cardinal, I guess. And it's from DIY Cross Stitch. This one was... It's a 40 by 50, and it was $10.99. So let's see what it looks like. Alright, I'm looking for the... I know it's got a paper pattern in here somewhere. But yeah, after I got it out of the bag, let's take a look. Isn't that pretty? It's just so country-ish, if you will. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. I like anything with cardinals. Okay, so this has a product number, how big it is, how many squares per square. So it's not very big. It does have the colors running down here, the DMC number, the symbol, and the number on the thread card. All this should match the canvas. And it looks a little confettied here and there, because that's just the way things are. It has 27 colors. So we're just going to have to take a look at the colors. Let's see here if I can get it to shake out there. They're just a little done in. Isn't that red pretty? It looks like 321, am I right? Yep. But the rest are like, you know, winter, and get it out from under there so you can actually... Seriously. So you can see what the colors look like. Isn't that beautiful? Nice fall-looking winter colors. And you have a nice big old wad of this white. I didn't look, but I will in a minute. But just beautiful. Just beautiful. You even have some light pale blue. Not very much. It must be for a highlight of something. Yeah. We'll take a look again at the numbers. We're just backwards everywhere today. So we know about the 321. It does not have any 823. Does have some 939. So 939 is number 17, which is a dark navy blue. That 16 is 898. And it looks really close to the colors on the thing. It has 3865 and 3866. And you can tell this is a 3865. I've never seen 66. But it's kind of got a yellow tone to it. And this, people say it has a blue tone, but I'm not seeing blue in that. So, yeah, very beautiful colors. And I like that it's not very big. That always helps. Oh, hang on. We're going to have an avalanche soon. Take a look at the canvas. There are 2 needles right there on the back side. Your big product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. But as you can see, it's not very wide. And this is how wide it is. Whoops, sorry. This way. But most of your it's pretty confettied here and there. Does have some big areas, you know, running throughout the little confettied parts. But yeah. And that 26 and 21 are your two whites for the snow. So those are kind of sprinkled without or within everything. There's a big area there and a big area down here. And then all your main focus is right here. I'd want to start on this, all that, because, yeah, I'd like to get that over with. But the bird is fairly big. Can you see the bird here? He starts like right here, and then his head's right there. So it comes around. Yeah. So it's a nice big, you know, I should think that the details should be very good because it's close up and hopefully it'll work out. You know, I mean, as far as details on all the birds and everything, because that is your main focus. So the canvas is 50 by 40 right on the button. The actual picture size is, whoops, 11 3/4, which is 30 centimeters by 39.5 or 15.5 inches. So yeah, I just thought it was beautiful. So we'll see. Might start that in December. Heck, we could start it this week. You know how Laura goes. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? But I do like it. And I like the winter pictures with the Cardinals and, you know, everything that's about winter and how the snow is on certain objects. I like that. We have another DIY cross stitch. And this one is Paris. I'm trying. Sometimes they get way, way up here. And you can't even see it. Well, at this point I can't get it open either. But they just leave so little amount. I don't get it. I don't know why. But we'll get it open. Trying not to crinkle it. Let me flip it over. Whoop. Right side up. Isn't that a pretty picture? Look at that sky. Oh my goodness. And you got water and a boat. This is a very good picture of this. And there's two birds up here in this tree. I like the sunset and the light shining on the Eiffel Tower. I have no idea what these buildings are. So if you're from there or you know, or if they look familiar, I got nothing. I'm not a close. I believe that's the Seine River. Not sure. But I like how it has a little cafe. There's even a car over here. And then you got that lovely bridge. And there's even a bird right down there. So a lot of detail. Now this one is a 60 by 50. And it was $13.99. Does have a paper pattern. Let me see what's going on here. Oh, it's kind of shiny on the inside, but not slickery like that other stuff. But it is fairly big. You might have to blow it up. And there's going to be some confetti here. Stuff will be happening. I've never seen this kind of pattern. It's weird. Does have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Has 30 colors. Has the colors, DMC symbol, and the number on the thread card. All this matches your canvas. So I think it's going to be a fair good size. I really do. I wouldn't even know where to begin on this. Maybe the Eiffel Tower? I don't know. Because it's got so much detail. And I get scared when I buy these. And then they say they're 50 by 60 or, you know, some smaller-ish size. I don't know how well the detail will be. So we'll just have to play it by ear. I got nothing. And we'll look at the colors. I'm feeling a skein there. No. Just one extra skein of 915. It's kind of a plum wine red, if you will. Let's shake this out, and hopefully we're not shaking anything. We'll take a look. There you go. Aren't those pretty colors? There's a lot of thread here. Got a little piece of fuzz with the blues and the peach for the sky. Just beautiful. And there's even teal. And I like this wine color. It is just beautiful. It's like a mauve, almost a red violet, if you will. And we have some dark greens, we have olive greens, we have more greens over here. We even have a bright red, which is probably 666. I didn't look at the colors. We'll look. And let's see. This is such an odd pattern. So, no 310. That red that I was talking about is 13. It is 666. It was awfully red. You have some 498, which is right here. And you have 823, which is 17. So that's your blue right here. And you have 939, which is right here. It's so weird not seeing a white color at the end. I kind of panic. But this will match your canvas. So the colors are good here. Everything looks beautiful. That 20 is 898. It's a beautiful brown. I don't think I've ever stitched with it in anything. Because I go from one extreme to the other. So I go super dark on the browns. That's what I like. And it's 3371. Love that. So, no 3865. That is 3835. It's pretty. It really is. And that teal. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. 3750. So, lots of beautiful colors. We'll see. I'm going to put that in there just so it doesn't get lost. I was stitching on the warm cabin, and I knew it came with 2 extra, outside skeins. I couldn't find the other one. It was laying beside the couch. So I immediately put it in its own bag. I made it a bag. No. I'm not about losing threads. So let's take a look at the canvas. There are 3 needles right here. It's fair good size. I'll give it that much. Nice big key, easy to see. It does have the colors, the DMC symbols, and the number on the thread card. So I don't know how defined this will look. I'm just a little paranoid. In my brain, it should have been 65 by 120, in order to get all the definition in there, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll start someplace. It does have a lot of confetti everywhere, especially up here. It's like, and then it has big areas of color, so I don't know. I look at a canvas and it's all confetti. I just get lost as to where to start, so I just pick a symbol and I start at one corner because it's too much for my brain to even figure out. I don't know if it's just the way I look at a pattern or what. It just confuses me. It's too much. It's overwhelming. Okay, it's 60 by 48. Well, I'm trying to get it to lay down. Looks like 48. The actual picture is 50 centimeters across, or 19 3/4 by portraying, by 39. Little over 39, which is about almost 15 and a half. So it's not too big, it's just, I just don't know how much of the details are going to show up. So we'll just have to play it by ear. I don't know, it might, I don't know. I got nothing. Because this over here is a blur because there's so much confetti and different, you know, symbols. You can't see it as well as you can see the bridge right there. So maybe you're seeing it better than me, but yeah. Don't know. We'll just have to see. But it is a beautiful picture. So we'll see how beautiful it translates, you know, on the canvas. Whoops. Hang on. I'm trying to get everything together just so nothing gets lost. I'm paranoid about losing stuff. And I don't know where I think it's going to walk out the door without me. It's not leaving here. It's all here. It's just, if it gets separated, yeah. Then I'll be playing. Okay, that might go with that. No, I can't. So I just try to keep everything together. Alright, FGOBY store has free shipping on orders over $39. If they have any other special deals like buy 3 get 1 free or anything like that, I will put that in the description box below. They have they have cross-stitch, diamond painting, paint by number. They have crafts and tools for all of those, I think. They have regular embroidery and they have beaded embroidery. And they have tools for everything else. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section. So if that's something that you're completely interested in, that's a good thing. Everything is in the same place. I don't know if they just do 14 count or they do 14 and 11 count. So some stores are like that. They have printed and counted cross stitch. And I believe they do custom, but I'm not sure on what. If it's just cross stitch or just diamond painting or paint by number. So you would have to check that out if that's something that you're interested in. Alright guys, thank you FGOBY for sending me these beautiful kits. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.